I am creator Shrudya. And I am creator Spandan. On behalf of the entire Canvas family, we welcome you all to the world of Shrudya Auntie. Humor and wisdom. Let's get one thing straight. If you are here because you thought Sudha Auntie would be give you free cookies and like her stories. Well, we are afraid to mind a little disappointed. But don't worry, we will fill you up with the heartwarming moments instead. I'd like to request Punita teacher to kindly declare the event open.
Punita ma'am.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Stage for live lightning. And Singham to kindly join on the stage for live lightning. I request one parent of you, Vibhav Singham, to kindly join on the stage for live lightning. I request one parent of Spandan to come on the stage for live lightning.
Spandan for wonderful start of the show. Please come in the green room. Yeah, very good morning, dear guardians, dear parents, and my dear Canvans. Glad to see you all in the auditorium instead of just waiting for their turn and staying in the green room. Okay, so I, Dr. Punita Ladwani, take immense pleasure in having you all for Canvas Annual Event 2024-25. And basically, if you must have seen, if it's Canvas Annual Event, our creators are the host of the show. But yeah, being a director, it's just a formality that I should also declare the event open. So I take the opportunity in this event to share a few things, which is very crucial also. We as an educator and you as a parents, along with our Canvans, what's our role? We are basically a strong team and it's a triangle. We all together form a triangle. We all three, parents, educators and students, we make a triangle. We are the three angles of the triangle. And what is our role? Yes, definitely we take all efforts, we put all efforts for their learning foundation to get strong, right? Every time, okay, let's teach them, let's make practice this. We at school, we have limited time, so we go with a structured format so that we could include whatever is required and we could cover up in the given time on everyday basis. We work on their finer motor, we work on their gross motor. We bring in lots of activities which help them in overall development. But with this theme, today let's take it as a whistleblower. Let's take it as a big knock on our head that it's not just academic area, it's our responsibility. We definitely, educators and parents, we have great responsibility in upbringing a good human being in our Canvas. So what we are basically academic is one part, but yes, it's our responsibility so that our kids can grow as a good human being, isn't it? We want our kids to be kind to others. We want our kids to be caring towards others, respecting others. Definitely they are very young for all this serious learning, but yes, as research says, 90% of development happens in this early age. So let's come together and do our best to give a great balance of teaching them contents also and teaching them life lessons also. We at Canvas also make sure that kids do their own stuff. We have various pointers where we take care that kids do their own stuff. Like we have created Life Skill Corner, and with help of that one life skill thing, kids must be knowing life skill corners, like they know that, okay, this is my area, I have to keep my bag there, I have to keep my stuff there. And if any home assignment is given to kids, we teacher or we didis never put their books in the bag. We just tell them, okay, take your book and put in your bag. Sometimes accidents happen. They put their book in someone else's book or else bag, but that's absolutely fine, because our purpose is not what is happening today. Our purpose is big goal, right? We want, in future, we want our child to be independent. Yes, parents, we want that, right? We don't want to hold their hand for a lifelong. It's just for few months or few days or few years we are there, and then we want our kids to be independent, confident enough. So that's how our role is today. Take care of their basic learnings, and let's make them learn all these important life skills. Okay, I won't take much of your time. So formally, I, Dr. Punita Ladwani, declare the event open. I hand over to teachers and my creators and my kids to take over.